Hi everyone, I'm Lauren from the LifePod and I'm here today to show you a really useful prenatal massage technique that you could use through pregnancy and through the birthing experience. So really this is for you partners, so ladies, this would be great to show your partners and then they can give you this massage. To help today I have my gorgeous son and he is acting as our pregnant woman because I don't have another pregnant woman here today. So he is going to do an awesome job. So he's going to lay down in child's pose. So ladies, if that's comfortable for you, you can lay yourself down in child's pose with your bottom in the air. And partners, you start by warming up your hands. So you don't want to put cold hands on her lower back. And then you put your hands to the lower back and you just start to rub the lower back, just like you're saying a bit of a hello. And this is an area that can get really tight for women through pregnancy, especially around the sacrum, around that sacroiliac joint. So it's really, really nice to have this massaged. Even just this every day can be so good. So after you've done that for a little bit, and you can certainly do that longer, massage around here in their hips a little bit, but you're going to turn your hands into fists and you're going to use the little pinky side of your hand. And when you do this, you're going to have really loose wrists like that rather than like this, because any tension that you're feeling in your body, especially through labor, will be passed on to her. So you want to make sure you're really relaxed as well, which is why I highly recommend coming along to do my Calm Birth program. So start with your hands like this, and this is what you're going to do. Massage all into her lower back, into her hips, into her bottom, down onto her thighs. This is a little bit ticklish for this one, but this is going to feel really nice for her. And it's just so great to use this technique not only through pregnancy, but this is a wonderful one to use through labor when she's having a surge, a contraction. Especially if she's feeling some tenderness, intensity around the lower back and in the hips, this is wonderful. So a good thing to practice so that you know what you're doing once you get to the birth. So you can do that for a lot longer than I'm going to, but then a nice one as well is to go up and down her spine. Not necessarily through labor for this one, but this is nice through pregnancy. So just relieving all through her central channel, and also known as the highway of birth. You don't go along the spine. I'll just get you to pop your head down there, sweetie. You don't go along the spine. Either side of it is perfect. And just ladies, you'll notice any tightness, any tenderness that you feel along the spine. Then once you've done that, you come back to the lower back and you turn your hands into cups. So you're not going to slap like this with open hands. You turn them into little cups and it's going to sound like this. And this feels really great. So again, all over her lower back, on her buttocks, on her hips, even down onto her thighs. If a woman's calves, thighs, buttocks is relaxed, the birth canal tends to be more relaxed as well. So this is really, really good through labor. So more relaxation through pregnancy. It's why yoga is so wonderful as well. And again, you could do that for a lot longer if you would like to. And after that, I'm just going to turn it now into this pitter-patter. So this pitter-patter touch, this really light touch, is also known as the endorphin touch. So when we're breathing slowly and deeply, and all these things again you learn at a lot of my prenatal classes, but Calm Birth too. When you breathe slowly and deeply, you release a lot of your own body's natural opiates, so natural painkillers. And it's the same with this touch. It's called the endorphin touch. So when you massage like this, it can even just be strokes like this, really lightly. It tends to release a lot of endorphins when it's over a large area like this, like the back. And you could do that for as long as you feel to. It's really, really yummy. Then you're just going to gather up around her neck and shoulders. A little bit more pressure now. You're going to sweep down and then off the sacrum. And it's like you're gathering up any tension she's harbored, any stresses, any fatigue, and off. And again, gathering up any stress, tension, fatigue, and off. Beautiful. And then she can stay there as long as she wants to. Ladies, it would even be good for you to do this for your partner so they can also be relaxed. You want to have a relaxed doula because that essentially is what you will be on the day. But also so they get to feel what it feels like when they're doing it to you. They have a better sense of that. So you can come up now, trusty assistant. Thanks everybody, I hope that helps, and I'll post more. There's so many different massage techniques for labour and birth, but to be honest, it's really great to keep it simple. So you just have a few techniques through labour and pregnancy, and that stops any confusion. I think it's a little too much to be overwhelmed by too many. Have a great day. We hope that's been helpful. Bye, and we'll see you soon. Bye.